Cozy Acres. Today I'm going to start cutting down this rhododendron tree that's been diseased, and I've already started to get it going, and now I'm going to finish it off. So here we go. All right, that's that. All cleared off except for that last limb, and I'm hoping that shoots off some new shoots. Now it's time for the cleanup. I'll be back here in a bit. All right, everybody. It's completely cleaned up now, picked up. It's far from, clean out there. It's just all picked up. So we're going to be done for this for right now. It definitely leaves a pretty big hole in our little mound. We're definitely going to have to replace and get one going again and get this filled back in, so that way we have all three of the colors just meshed together. Alrighty. Till later. You all have a beautiful day.